First, we need to click the dimension button, and then we go to every line, and we should know the scale of every line. Next, to fill the text, we need to click the text button and click the single line. Then we write anything that we want to write, like this. Then we rotate and we move to the suitable position. Alright, next, to put the picture, we click the attach in the insert part, and then we find the picture that we want to put. We find also the suitable size, and then we move to the suitable place. After we did outer wall, we offset of the vertical and horizontal line by 300mm. Then click fillet and we enter R and enter 0, and we fillet all the corner of the outer wall. After we done by inner wall, then we trim all the line that we didn't want, and also erase. Next, we change the color of inner wall. We choose all the 5 line, and we set at the setting of layer part. Then for the door part, we offset by 150mm, and we offset again by 750mm, and then we extend for the boots line. Then we trim the line that we didn't want. To create the door jamb, we offset 4 times, 2 times at the vertical lines and 2 times at the horizontal line. Then we offset again 730mm at the vertical line, and we line at the center of the thickness of the wall. And then we fillet and we create the door jamb. We fillet by enter the R and we enter 0. And then do the same thing for the opposite of the door. To create the curve, we must to click RC button, enter C to the endpoint, and then we click the line to make the vertical line. For the upstairs part, we offset both vertical and horizontal by 1000mm, and then we click array for the horizontal. Then we change the row and column. Row we change to 12 and column by 1. The offset is 220. And then we exploit to trim that, and we enter. Then we trim the line that we didn't want. Next, for the vertical line, basically we do the same thing that we did by horizontal line, but at this time we change to the column by 8 and row by 1. Then the offset is the same by 220.